So today I'll be showing you how you can actually make money online just by chatting with random people. There are people out there that needs people to talk to. So your job is to actually talk to them, make them feel comfortable. Just give them the company they need, and automatically they will pay you for actually talking to them. So all you have to do is come here, you click on sign up. Immediately it opens. This is what you will get. From here you can see connect with people through live video chat. You can see here, I am a cyber friend. You can earn money by chatting with callers who will pay you by the minute. Then here you can also be a caller, just in case if you're also bored and you need to pay people to talk to them. You can also register here so that you can call people to talk to. But remember, here you will pay. If you click on I am a caller, you'll be the one to pay. So from here, all you have to do, since you are here to earn money, so you have to click on I am a cyber friend. You click on I am a cyber friend. So from here, you click on sign up as a cyber friend. So here you scroll down, you can see you can earn from anywhere in the world, regardless of the country that you are based. All you have to do is actually scroll down to the bottom of the page, then fill in your first name. Now, I already have an account here, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my name, Coach Presh. So here I'm just going to put Coach, then Presh. Then my email, I can go ahead and use my email, Coach Presh at gmail.com. Then from here, you can set any password of your choice. Let's just go with any random number here. Then you click on yes, I accept. I would like to sign up for the weekly newsletter. It's optional. But here you have to accept. If you have time, you can go through their terms and conditions and privacy policy. You can read everything when you have the time to do so. Then you click on sign up. Now, if you're watching this video, I want you to sit down and watch to the very end, as I'll be sharing tips on how you can actually make more money here. So don't go away yet. So I made a mistake on my email earlier. My email is coachpresh24 at gmail.com. So all I have to do is actually open my Gmail and copy the code that was sent to me. So immediately I copy it, I have to head back to the box here and click on and paste the code that was sent to me and click on submit code. So automatically I am in. So but here, since I've not completed my profile, I am not allowed to actually accept calls. You can see my dashboard here, $0.00. So all I have to do is, for me to be able to accept calls, I have to click on here. I have to click here. And it opens. Now, what am I expected? I'm supposed to update my bio, update my date of birth, at least choose a language, then my profile picture. So all I have to do is click on here to update my profile picture. Because at least people are not going to be chatting with faceless people. So you have to put your picture here. So from here, all I have to do is to click here, select image, so I can select any image that I already have available on my system. So from here, I can select any picture of my choice. Let me select this one. Then scroll down here, Coach Fresh, United States, country. I can decide to leave it like this, but it's advisable for you to use your country. Use the country of your choice. Here, I'll just fill Alabama just for the sake of it. Then come here and put date of birth to be any age. Let me just use 2000. Okay, let me use 2000, or depends. Let me use older age. Let me use 1990. I'm just doing this for the purpose of training. So any age you feel like, any age of yours is what you should use. You should not use what is not. You should not use a fake profile. You should use something that you know represents you. So for your profile, let's say I'll just copy and paste what I've actually written down. I'm a teacher by day and a music lover and fine dining enthusiast. by night. I value honesty and kindness just as much as a great sense of humor. You can just write anything that actually suits your personality. Then after that, you have to scroll down. Then what are your interests? You can say music. Now, depending on what you wrote on your bio here, you can come down and also add your interest relating to what you've written earlier. You can say music. Okay, it seems I've selected music already. Sports, environment, relationships, friendship. So immediately you've selected, all you have to do is click on scroll down and select your language. You can say English. Let's say you're from English speaking country. You can say English. And if you also want to maybe chat with people that are non-English speakers, you can actually select, you can select Arabic here. You can select any language that you feel you can actually use in conversing with people. So after that, you scroll down and click submit. So automatically it loads to a page whereby your profile should be ready for you to start earning money. So you see your profile is being validated. Please wait a while. Your profile data is being validated. This may take a few seconds. So you just have to hold on a little. Okay, we've gone past that stage. Then you can scroll down and see your profile and click on submit. So from here you are all set. So all you have to do is click here. You are all set to go online and start chatting with potential callers who are eagerly browsing the site right now. So for you to do, all you have to do is click here, profile online, accepting calls. So from here, you are telling the site that, okay, you are ready to start taking calls. And that is it. So if you actually want to make more money here, immediately you get called, because just by being online, you are definitely going to start getting calls. It's just a matter of time. So for you to earn more money on this, be polite with them. Make sure you are as friendly as possible, because at the end of each call, they can even tip you, they can dash you more money. That's what the site has actually permitted them to actually do. So you can click on your dashboard to see the earning page. You can click on withdraw and just play around the website. Immediately you've made at least up to $100, of which you can easily make that a day. You can request for withdrawal. So another thing here is you can also download the app for easy access. You can download the app of this website for easy access. So for you to register, all you have to do is click on the link on my bio. The name of this website is Rent a Cyber Friend. But just to be sure, you can click on the link on my bio. If you are interested in learning how to make money online from the comfort of your home, please hit the subscribe button, as I'll be sharing tips and websites that you can easily use to make money online.